Buenos dias. Another day, another dollar to make. Another day that we're all alive here and we get to do this one more time. I mean, what other job, what other thing can you possibly do that would be better than doing this? I don't know. It's hard to top this, I gotta say. I mean, it's got its downsides, I won't lie, especially emotionally when I was long down here already from the 87, I think. And then basically I get broken even there. I don't know why I do it. I don't know why. Where the hell was I long from? I was long from the freaking the 82.75. Are you kidding? Sorry, no, not 82. Guys, I don't know. They don't work for me. Even last night, actually, talking about break-even trades. Last night we were long, and of course you would know about it if you were on the community. We talked about this idea potentially to get a push towards the 04 level, which was where was this action overnight? 4 p.m. So right here. Where is it? Okay, quickly. So market opens on up here. I'm basically there doing my barbecue, and I'm ready. You know, I'm ready. I buy right there at the 87, and then I kid you not, the frick, like, oh my god, look at this entry here. Look at this. I'm gonna show you the entry. Look at this. 87 ducking 25. 87 ducking 25 from yesterday's open. And then I get basically, we get this nice push overnight, and then I'm looking at the 15-minute chart over here. Let me pull it up for you guys. This is what I was looking at. Where is it? So we got this. You see that little push towards that 6,000, and then you can see the big wick right above that 6,000, which is very visible right there. And of course, clear resistance there prior to that during the day. So I'm like, fuck, we might have trapped to the upside there. And of course, it pulls back, and then right after the pullback, it just squeezes. And then look at this. It basically breaks that little trap there, and then rallies and rallies and rallies. And then Papa over here, asleep, you know, make nothing. You know what I mean? Like, come on, yes. Like, I don't know. It's too much. But anyways, well, yeah, I forgot I left this order sitting there. I'm trying to short this thing. Maybe at the open, we'll see. But let's get down to business right now. Let's get down to it. And I think it's actually better if I show you on the 1 hourly chart here. Because remember, key levels must come from the big time frames. Speed Racer says, GM traders, buenos dias, Marcel. I gotta have the trophy for break even and then basically rally 30 points plus. I don't know. This was my day yesterday and today. But at least yesterday we were green. I mean, I'm happy with it. But okay. Looking at this on the hourly chart, we got the hourly chart pulled up over here. And I mean, we haven't had any sizable pullback here. And it might come, you know what I mean? Buenos ducking dias, Antonio. So, okay, let me get serious now. So I think that we could get a pullback, you know. It would be healthy for the market. I don't think you will disagree if we get a little pullback here. So the $1 million question is, when is this pullback going to actually come in? You know, like, are we just going to short? Are we just going to expect for it? Well, I would say that two things kind of need to happen in order for that pullback to actually come on in. Number one, this resistance up here needs to hold, which would be this 08, 04-ish area here. Why? Because if it doesn't, we likely would break, and then I don't see this 17 kind of holding there. There's only been like maybe one little trap there, and I think overall, where you see where my resting order is sitting at right now, this is my resting order there. You can see we have a touch there from a prior, when was this? January the 6th. We have some resistance there at 07. You can clearly see how it becomes a ping pong game around that key level. We have some traps below it. The point is simple. We can go back and review the data and see that this price action here tends to have a little bit of a struggle, give or take. Therefore, I probably want to short it. But again, it needs to hold. That's key number one for the pullback. And key number two is, well, a level of support needs to break. And that is very simple today. You see that right there? That low right there from the overnight. Once that low breaks, we could get a nice little pullback. I'm not saying it's the end of the world. It's not the crash. It's not anything. How I've seen some videos already online about how, stock market is about to crash 2025. Trump's about to take office. The Simpsons episode is going to crash the ducking economy. No, it's just a little routine pullback. If that little level of support there fails. So it's kind of simple for me today. Either we trap to the downside here and we return, we go like that. Beautiful. Or option number 2, which is basically take a short off here, expect for it to kind of hold, maybe wait for that back test, and then look for the potential break of this support. And that would turn into a gorgeous short. And option number 3, FOMO long right now and just expect for this thing to continue because choo train just wants up. That is the 3 options that I kind of can picture, that I can kind of give you. And yeah. I blew up 2 of my combines yesterday. You blew them up yesterday? How did you do that? How many times did you trade? For you to have blown 2 combines, you must have traded quite a bit. I think so, unless you just shorted all day and then it just kept on going higher, I guess. And so now we're on the sell planning. I played Call of Duty with ES yesterday. I was about to tell you, I think, I don't know what exactly you did, but that's a lot of trading, especially considering the type of day we had yesterday where you could have kind of longed and made money. So my guess is you probably shorted or I don't know, maybe your stops were too tight or something because it was a little volatile after the open. So I don't know. I'm not too sure what to say there, but blowing up 2 combines is not necessarily a good thing. Thank you for sharing, though. We do appreciate the honesty here. We are all traders, and we do make mistakes. It's gonna happen. I've done it. I've blown up fucking combines all the time. I still will do it, and I will continue to forever do it. I mean, it's never gonna end, but just you gotta keep those losses to a minimum, and the losses need to make sense. Too bullish for shorting. Used to find. All right, so market's gonna open it up here soon. It's 9:20. You know what we do on 9:20 over here? We get the greatest indicator of the stock market, and we give her a nice spin. So, what's she gonna say today? There are 3 options only in this magical indicator, and they are the pump, the dump, and the chop. So, best out of 3. These are the rules that we have for the magical indicator. Let's find out which way she wants to go. And okay, that's chop. I agree with it. After a big run up like yesterday, we could be consolidating, which would be okay. Okay, so we got chop. It looks like it's leaning more towards the green, but I'm gonna give her another spin to be fair. Like that, I'm unbiased, even though I would have given it to the bulls there, but all right, we got chop and dump. All right, so who's gonna win? Best out of 3. Next one is the winner. It can only be chop or dump. Chop. No, why? Why? Out of all the options, I'll take the sell, but not the chop, please. It is what it is. I'm still here banging my head. How the hell do I get broken even here? Look at this. This wick here, literally bounced, and then I'm like, okay, I'm saved. I walk away, and then boom, this next wick gets me right there, takes me out, and then rallies almost towards the 04, which would be my target anyways. My gosh, man. Now I'm over here probably looking at a short. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. We'll see. I don't know, guys. This is starting to kind of look like it wants to go. I don't know about how I feel about my 04 direct short. If it was a long, I feel much better, but I don't know. I think I should close the order. This is looking too bullish, you know what I mean? And for me to short this level of resistance here, it's a pretty bold move on my side. What do you guys think? Should we do it? All right, I won't do it on this account. Screw that. Let me make sure the order's canceled from the other one. Yes, beautiful. All right. All right. It's above you. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna go get some more water. I need some more agüita before the market opens. This is a high risk short there, but I'll be back. I shorted 88 the only time, and I got kicked out at 89. Uh-oh. All right, well, I got my order sitting there at 04 right now. I am waiting, watching. Sitting and watching, but it could be scary. I mean, look at this thing. It looks like it's ready to freaking squeeze out of this thing, and we already got one test of that level there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. It is resistance, you know what I mean? It's resistance. And I'd rather maybe take the resistance short over a FOMO long, you know what I mean? There's some technical aspect to that level there. But looking at this thing, you know? But we are sitting right under a key level of resistance, or being right here right now. I mean, we're below it. Can it hold? $1 million question. I'm watching for more prints. Yes, actually today I'll listen to your indicator as well. If you see those red prints come in, let me know. I'm trying to get into a short here, so. Oh, yeah, guys. Am I really about to short this choo-choo train? I don't know why I don't like the shorts that much. Another possibility is maybe wait for the market to actually open, and then let's see if we can get a nice little wick on up, and then back right below 04 would be another entry possibility. Let's take a look over at the news forecast over here. Are we in for some volatility? All right, so let's find out here. I don't even know if you guys can kind of tell there or not, but yeah, If you don't know, it is investing.com. It's my go-to when it comes to news and numbers all around the world. And you can even give it to you some nice like 3-star ratings, 2-star ratings, which I like it. 3-star, obviously, letting you know that there will be a lot more volatility. 1-star being the least. And of course, we do have numbers in 32 minutes or 10 o'clock. We got some numbers as well. Yeah, I mean, 2-star numbers, so it could influence the market a little bit. Just it's good to know that. We got some Fed guys speaking, I guess, how 1 o'clock today, and that's kind of it. Yeah, so numbers at 10 o'clock. All the big numbers already kind of happened. Let's see for tomorrow here. Tomorrow we got some numbers at 8:30, 9:15 for Fresh Cash Friday, and that's kind of it. After that, I don't really care. So there you have it. Those are the news. Those are the events that we should know about. But I do think below 97 might be a good short. No prints yet, though. Just looking for the chart. All right. Sounds good. So we're right up below resistance. You know what I'm going to tell you guys? What am I going to tell you guys? I'm going to tell you guys that if you are not over in the Discord community, well, feel free to join. It is free. We're there long, short. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm there long pretty much all the time. I was about to lie. I was going to say, we're there long and short. I'm never short. That's a complete BS lie, okay? So if you're not there and you want a free community of like-minded traders, and of course you want to bring your own ideas to the community, feel free. It is there. And something else as well, if you do give a like to this stream, it does give you better luck. That's what the bull has told me, so I'm just passing along the message. In case you didn't know, well, now you know. Aloha. I'm not sure what language that is, but I like how it sounds. So I would imagine it's like hi or good morning. I don't know about shorting this future trade, guys. Maybe I'm going to wait for the market to open. This thing just looks too bullish. I was already long from the 89 this morning or 87. Oh my God. Maybe if we get a little wick, something like that to like prove that we are still getting stuck there. That would probably be a good idea. I think Hawaiian. Aloha. Sounds nice. It's only so I'm thinking hot places. Nice. Well, think no more. You are now tuning in. Not streaming, you're tuning in to, I guess, an El Salvadorian stream where it is nice and hot. I got the AC going in here because it is very hot. I mean, it's not too hot right now in the morning, but hey, the market's open for business. What are we talking here? Market is open for business. I didn't even know it was open. So I'll send you some heat from the stream. Take it. Take some. Take some heat. All right. So, I mean, I was kind of scared there, but right under resistance, I never got filled, unfortunately. You guys saw that there, but at least we do analyze things where we're right under resistance. Number one. Probably don't be taking a long right under resistance. You know what I mean? It's probably a good idea to simply wait. It's snowing or something. All right, now let's look at the other way around here. We do have some support here sitting on 97, 95 area-ish. This would be the top of whenever this 830 numbers came in. You can see that right there. It's a very mild support at this point in time. It is nothing major, but it is some support there. And we would have some more support here at 92. These are levels from yesterday. Rinse and repeat the same old story. And then we have 82 and 84 sitting at the bottom. And then we have 77, 25. That was a previous all-time high down there. And why am I mentioning this? Well, because we are dumping, we are pulling back right now. So if we can kind of, trap either or one of these levels, well, that's exactly what I'll be watching. I mean, we talked about this level of resistance there. So far from the 03 and a quarter all the way down towards the 93.75. That's almost a 10-point drop there. Not bad, I wouldn't short this anymore now because it already has played out. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But for now, turn the cheek the other way. This thing wants to pull back. I'm going to wait. We already discussed about the pullback. It's 0408 needs to hold for that pullback to come in, and then we know what level needs to fail. And that level is going to be none other than this particular level here. This 82 to 84. This is the hourly chart here. As I already mentioned, I mean, this is technical perspective I'm giving you, right? And this is entertainment purposes only. So you guys, do what you will with this information. But in the end, I think 0408 needs to hold, and then we need to pull back and then basically break down this 82 to 84 for the magical pullback that everybody's waiting for to actually come on in. So don't go, I seen some guys already on YouTube and they get so many views too. And I'm like, I just got to start talking about the market crash. You know what I mean? I just got to start putting up things online saying how we found the top. Okay? This is now the top. Trump is coming into the office and he's going to crash the stock market. Okay? We saw it in the Simpsons episode, and now we found the top of the market. 1 million views next day. But people like that stuff. People like it. They like to, kind of look for that ghost of Christmas that never comes. Or that ghost. It's like the people down here. They talk a lot about ghosts, and I'm like, well, have you ever seen one? Like, have you ever physically seen one? No, but my grandma, or no, but this person has told me this, and no, I heard this sound. I'm like, okay, but have you ever seen one? No. So it reminds you of that same story where everybody is looking for the top. Everybody wants to find the top. And choo-choo train, choo-choo train. This is the daily chart I'm about to pull up for you. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, choo-choo train, pumps. Look at the ducking daily chart. And you're going to tell me we found the top? It is embarrassing. Embarrassing to even imagine that I can somehow, predict that this is now the top. And not just me, I think for anybody online. We care about price. We care about making money. Who gives a, where the market is at the top, the bottom? Aren't ghosts invisible though? I don't know. I won't lie to you guys. I did see one. So, I did find technically a ghost or the top. And it's kind of a trippy story, actually. While we're sitting inside this choppy range here, I did not get filled on my short there. We did discuss this idea about getting short at 04. I was a little scared, about shorting resistance. It would have worked out nicely there. And again, at least I did not get long right under a level of resistance there. So, understanding the technical perspective, that tells me to just simply stay out of it. You know what we're waiting for. I'm waiting for that V. Who's we, Leo? It's ducking me, okay? So I will tell you, this is a story from a personal story. It is, I forget exactly who he was. I think he was like a good uncle, okay? Or something like that. And I grew up with him a little bit. And he didn't have teeth in his old age, okay? So, we lived here. We grew up here in El Salvador. There's not first world country where you're going to get teeth and all these dentures and all these things. So he didn't have teeth is the point. And I used to make fun of him. I was little. He kind of took it as a good joke at first. But then later on, the type of kid that I was, I used to make fun of the guy. And may he rest in peace. And I hope that, he actually might be watching, might be listening. And I hope that he understands that, that this is, nothing but keeping his memories alive. He was a good person. But as the story goes on, I used to go like this to him. And he had problems seeing. So I used to basically, my grandma would be like, go get this from the fridge. And he wouldn't see it. And then, I would go there. I'm like, look, I would grab his head. It's stocky. Like, it's right here, right? Point is, he couldn't eat. And I used to make fun of him like this. Okay? And the guy goes, whenever I die, I'm going to do 3 things because you keep making fun of me. I'm going to call you by your name. I am going to appear to you. And my last one, I'm going to pull you out of the bed one day. That's what he told me. And I don't know if psychologically that got to me because he did end up passing away. And I actually saw him kind of pass away as well. And not really, I didn't care. I didn't see him pass away, but before he passed away, I did see him. But point is, he did call me by my name one time inside the house. I heard his voice, like maybe a few years after he died. And then number 2, he has appeared to me on the sofa. So I was on one couch. We had 2 couches. He was on the other one. And he appeared for like an instant, second. And then basically, I ran outside. I was screaming. We had the priest come and they blessed the house because I guess my mom believed me. And yeah. Thankfully, he has not pulled me out of the bed. Because if he pulls me out of the bed, there's going to be some problems. You know what I mean? Can you imagine a grown man getting pulled out of the bed by wind? Well, that's the story of me seeing a ghost. No, he has not. Thankfully, he has not pulled me out of the bed. Because I don't know what I'm going to do if he does. But he has appeared to me, though. This is a true story. I could have been, psychologically with my mind scared, I guess. So maybe I manifested it, but I don't know, it's like me and you right now. Like, I'm here, you're there, the camera's there, and it's there, you know what I mean? Like, there's no disputing this. And that day I saw him. Yeah. So I've seen a ghost. So perhaps, maybe, just maybe, we found a stock market top as well. I gotta ask you guys something. I don't, is this price really the way it's moving right now for you guys as well? Like, why are we like gapping? We gapped down here. I saw that here, and like, I think Wheel of Fortune was right. This is pretty choppy for now. Yeah, I'm open mind to everything but out of space. So I believe you. Look, don't get me started on that conversation here. Not on the stream. How do you like? There's so many things out there. When I go outside, I see so many things shining in the sky. These things are stars, and the sun is pretty ducking big. You know what I mean? Like, it's daytime here, it's daytime there. There's sunshine there in Canada, there's sunshine here. This thing must be a massive ball. There's no way it's not in space. It needs to be far away. Look, hey, that's me reasoning, I guess, but I'm sure we can go on for hours and hours about that. Let's focus on the charts here. We're sitting right at 04, under 04 here. Are there any brave souls willing to take another short off this level? I don't think I'm that brave. One or the other can happen for me. We either, squeeze right through it, turn it into support, look for the upside. That is kind of what I'm waiting for if we are going to rally and squeeze right through it. That has not happened. Right now, we are sitting right under resistance. So the way I would see it is, if you're going to take a short, it's going to be right here. If you're going to take a long, it's going to be, I guess, somewhere down here. And we are consolidating inside this range before we either break on up or break on down. And therefore, that kind of feels guessy to me. So what I'm going to do is wait for the breakout to the upside, take the long on the back test. Or I'm going to wait for the breakdown and then take the short on the back test there. But right now, you can see that right there. Look, it's holding up nicely again. Right under resistance. I just don't believe these humans have been there. You don't believe humans have been there. So we can make planes. We can make rocket ships that can literally, like, you can, there's footage of like planes, and then you'll see the freaking rocket going higher. So we made these things. AI that is getting smarter than humans. I can stream from El Salvador, and you know, anybody in the world can stream from anywhere. We can do these wonders, but you don't think that we have the capability or the human power to get up there? I don't know. I don't know. I think it's almost like impossible that we haven't, you know, tried to go up there. Here we go. We're triggered now. You're triggered. I should have taken that 04 short there. Fudge. Nope, we haven't been to the bottom of the sea. Hey, you got me there. That is a good point. They do claim that we have not been to the bottom of the sea. That's true. That is. All right, I got no counter argument to that. I mean, fine. Guys, I'm kind of regretting not taking this short right here under resistance. If you did, I applaud you, but I just couldn't come to my soul to click the short button right there. But fudge, you know, very nice short from up there. I think the problem was we never touched 04. You know, I would have liked it at 04. We only got to 03. Yes, I'm very particular and specific to that because it might not seem like a big deal, but it is a big deal because if you start kind of, it's only 1 point, you know, I should wait. It's only 1 point. Well, the problem is, you know that if I had taken that short there, we would have freaking rallied and came back down. If we had trapped, I would have taken the short, but I treat shorts a lot differently than I treat longs. Like if we were at a key level of support and I see price bouncing like that, I would have just taken the long. You know what I mean? Hustler took it 97 out 91. Yes! Somebody at least decided to have the cojones this morning to take the short. We're right below resistance. There's no need to get long right under here. I mean, you can, you know, you could have taken this long here, and it's just, for me, I don't see the value in risking 150 or 3 points and then look for, 5 points. It's just, it's so difficult to nail the 5 points of a 5-point mover versus just simply waiting for the wave. Remember, I gave you guys the example of the wave for me. This is the way I see the market. I want to wait and see where the wave wants to go. And then we're going to go with the wave. New year, new me. We're going to take the short too. I mean, I'm done with just taking longs. Yes, I take majority still longs, but I'm open-minded to the shorts. For now, until we make new all-time highs. When does Trump get inaugurated again? I forget. Let me find out here. Because it would be pretty hilarious if they push this thing to the all-time highs right on the day of. Yes, I do not know when he gets inaugurated. I don't even want to look at the chart because I'm kind of sad I didn't take that short. Are you kidding me? I'm reading this whole article just to find the day. Just Google. Just tell me the day. You know what I mean? Like, I don't... Yes, just tell me the day. 47th president on Monday, January 20th. He's taking office on Monday, this coming Monday. Well, maybe we should do a special stream for that. Trump Will they rally this thing to the all-time highs? Or are they going to crash it to the all-time lows? In the end, we don't care because by the time that happens, we would have either lost so much or made so much. No way. Whoops. Whoopsies. Dark prints on the 1 hour. Thank you for letting me know. I was actually thinking of a long here. Depends, obviously. You see that little V? If we can do that, then yes, but I don't want to just blindly long it here either. I want to wait for this candle to close. You know what I mean? Let's just wait for the candle to close, Leo. Let's wait for the candle to close, Leo. Let's get some more confirmation, you know? Wait. Oh, no, please. Don't tell me I'm late already. Come on. It's like, this is the tricky part here. I want to wait for a candle to close, but it looks like we're already bouncing from here, but I want to wait. Oh my God, it's just going, isn't it? No, don't do this. Wait, baby. Wait. 84. I'm not going to risk too much on this. Gonna just stick to a nice... Should have waited to get filled right under here instead. My stop would have been at a much better place. Gotta hold 83. We gotta hold 84 minimum. I don't want price below that 84. Almost. My entry there's too late. I should have been filled right now with my stop at the bottom here. So this is a mistake a little bit on my side here. But looks pretty weak for now. We'll see if we can get going here, or else I'm gonna take it out. Go, baby, go. I will probably go break even at some point though. I'm gonna take it out there. I don't like how it's too weak for me there. Too weak. Well, good thing I took it out there. Only lost 50 there on that. The long was down here. But it's kind of weak. We should have just gone already. $84. All right, I'm gonna leave that there for now. It's either gonna go or I'm gonna get stopped at the bottom down here. Working too much, I need a break. Let's enjoy this life. Wait, let's move on. We'll see how much this move can go. Looking at the hourly, it looks okay. So you can see here we have these lows on the hourly. As we discussed here, the pullback will come right after that breakdown of this key level down here. And for now, what I'm seeing is, that we have this little on the hourly candle. I don't know if it's going to actually hold or not for now, but we have these lows here, right? And we've basically dipped right under those lows. We've reclaimed that low right there, and hence the idea of trying to get long. And you guys have been here since the beginning, I don't know, but that little V we drew right before the market actually opened. So it is a trade. It's kind of feeling a little weak. I don't know why, but we'll see. Either way, I don't care. I'm already in the green, I'm just gonna let it ride type of thing, but I could go break even, but I haven't had much luck with break evens recently. They kind of break me even and then they go, so it's either this trap is gonna hold or it's not, and I'm just gonna start shorting. But for now, I'm happy to kind of let this thing be for now. Hustlers must be thinking, I would have taken profit already. Should have, or I don't know if you took profit or you took the long. Hustler. Hustler's quick to make the money. Like I said, I'm at peace with this. If it wants to break down, I'm okay with it breaking down, and I'll just start shorting because I know that the pullback will come in. So I'm okay with it. But taking break even here, I'm not a fan of break evens, as you guys know. I tried it, a couple times already, the last yesterday and today, and just not working. So these bounces are not looking the best. This is not what you want to see from a trap. So we did draw this, right? But you can see the picture is simple. We get the dip, we get the rip. But when I see kind of price doing exactly this right at the level, it's a hint that the market wants to break it down. Remember, something's happening here right now. I cannot see it, but we do know that price is struggling here to do two things: to get a nice bounce from it, and at the same time, it is struggling to hold because, resistance is working right now, pushing and putting pressure right now on support. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to take it out and just simply wait to see if it breaks down here. But for now, it's still holding. It's still holding. There's no law that says a support can't hold 10 times. You know what I mean? It's just, it gets riskier and riskier to try and long at that level. First time around, perfect. Second time around, all right. Third time around, probabilities are going down, and fourth time around even lower. But this is why it's extremely important for me as a trader to wait for the actual breakdown and then the back test of this level and then look for the move, if that makes sense. If 84 holds, long might be good. Yep, this is exactly the same levels from yesterday here, but not really in the mood to hold, I think. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of tempted to go break even here. This thing looks like it's going to dump. I'm going to take it out there. I'm not in love with how much times we're coming back down here. I know I just said that, probabilities are going down, but this is not a picture that I like to see right above the level of support here. Might be better off with a short. Because that first theory is working right now. It's at the back of my head. The theory here was simple. 0408 holds. What's the next thing that needs to happen for the pullback to come in? We need to break down this level here. And that's exactly what's happening. So I don't really want to get caught on the long side here. Or as Antonio said, I think he was the one who said it. Get caught with my pants down. We'll see. I don't know. 84 is still holding strong there for now. I took myself out there for pretty much break even. So, I don't know. We'll see. She either breaks down or she rallies, but... Yes, when's the top? Moon. Yeah, this is consolidating very nicely here. Very nicely. She's tight. I will say something. It kind of looks like a P. Upside down P. Let me draw this a little better here. It kind of looks like an upside down P. You know, a little bit. I know it's a bear flag, okay? But P is the P. P is my patent. But we're still above level of support here. What to do? Maybe I'm expecting for price to break down, hence why I took myself out. But what if we don't break down? I don't know. I think this thing wants to break down here. Let's see if she can put in one final bounce here. I don't want to be too early, but we'll see if I can get a filled here now. If we squeeze back above 84, this is nothing but another trap to the downside, which I don't think it is, but I mean, there's always that possibility. Fuck, I should have taken that short there. No, no, the choo-choo train has left the station without Papa. No. No. Why? I'm too slow today. Hey, I gotta give it up to myself, you know. No one else is gonna say it for me, but come on, that's pretty good. You know, this morning we did come in with the idea of 0408 needing to hold in order for the pullback to actually begin. While yes, in hindsight, I should have taken that short there. You know, we did discuss it. And then the second key point of the actual breakdown or the actual feeling bearish part, while yes, you can, you know, short that directly up there. That's a little riskier. The actual bearish part for me on the day comes in at the breakdown of the major level of support, which on a 2-minute time frame looks exactly like that. That's what a breakdown actually looks like. So we have price getting weak at a level of support. You can see those many wicks, many bounces, and one final trap that did kind of work out there, but again, ultimately not having enough strength to rally back on up towards the 04 level. Therefore, it broke down. And how do you find these key major levels? Again, these will be on major hourly, daily charts. And looking at the hourly chart as well, I mean, if you had looked at it, you can kind of see here how it's not really an M, you know, but I mean, you can see that this is a key level down here. And when we finally break down, which we are now, all I got to do is simply wait for a pullback and wait to get in short and then go back on down. And whenever the market reclaims this area here, It's a simple take the ducking long, and I'm going long with this choo-choo train. So, while yes, in the end, I did not make a gorgeous trade, but you come on, that's not bad. You know, that read wasn't that bad. I'm giving props to myself. You know, I'm sure that you guys all view the market in your own beautiful perspective, but maybe you might not give yourself enough credit for it. So, you know, I just gave myself a whole lot of credit for that. I feel good about it. So, be kind to yourself. Sangrina. Oh my God, this is a heavy pump right back up. Uh-oh. Are they gonna reclaim this area? We will find out soon enough, I guess. All right, so I got filled there right on cue. I'm already at break even very quickly. Nice free risk-free trade, free money. And this is what I was talking about, you know, just simply waiting for the backtest of that area there. I shouldn't be at break even. My stop should be right up here. But on the short, it is more riskier for me, so I'll go break even. Oh my goodness, what a nice pullback. We got 77 support there. Can we break down support? Please, choo-choo train. Break down support. Break it down, baby. Break it down. Break it down. I don't know. I'm debating about my stop here. I don't think I should be at break even. I need to let this, you know, ride, or else. If whatever, look, it's fuck. It'll be the first stop for the day. We're gonna go 3-point stop on this, right at 86. Hopefully we don't get any more pushes. But right now we are breaking down. And where would be the ultimate target here on this? Would probably be that 65, maybe 58, but I'm probably not gonna hold it the way down there. This thing is already bouncing. I do like 65 if we can get with some momentum down there. That would be pretty nice. Hourly chart kind of agreeing with some support there. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly here. Yeah, gotta let it be. Like I said, if we reclaim that area, well, very simple. It's a trap to the downside here, and, well, very simple. I'll take the long at that point. For now, we just tested this again. So resistance working, but the bears need to get going from here. They do not want price back above. You know, they don't want it back above. Bears need to get going right now. They need to go and break down this 70, 74. Mother duckers. Work twice. Can't even hold one level. Or did I just get wicked out, maybe? I don't know. I think I got wicked out there. I had a feeling. All right, so that's trade number 1 for the day. Actually, no, we took the break even there. No, we are on trade. Let me see. 2. No, we're on trade number 3. 1 stop here right now, 1 break even, and the other one for $50. So let's update this here for now. I love you so. Very tricky price action here. I mean, we're still at 84. It's smelling trappy, but at the end of the day, again, I want to wait a little bit here before taking the long back on up. If we reclaim this 84, I'm getting long, but right now there's no need to get long. It's still a short. Unfortunately, you know how it goes. We just trapped to the upside there. I got wicked out there. Perhaps I should have taken that profit when I had it down there, but it was still a 2-to-1 trade. I just decided to take the stop up. Can we hold down here? If we reclaim this level, this thing's choo-choo train's about to pump, but I'm still not convinced yet. I don't want to get long and then it just dumps. All right, I think this choo-choo train has reclaimed. We'll see. Maybe. This will be the final trade that I take here. All right, come back down, choo-choo train. Come fill me. Wait, choo-choo train, wait. Wait, baby, wait. Oh, hang on, hang on. Hang on a second. Come back test. Come back test, baby. Look at that hourly chart. That is not good for the Bears there. Uh-oh. Am I about to get filled here? Let me see. Almost got filled there. Almost. Oh my God, are you kidding? My order was sitting at 85. We got down to a low of 85 and a quarter there. Looking a little scary here. We're going to push this thing down to 84. See who wants to... No, 85. I like 85. Come on, man. Why you no fill me? You know, like we just had this order there. Why was I not filled to the long side? My luck today. My order was at 85. I don't get filled by a tick. And now we're all the way at the 91s there. Mother duckers. Wait, baby, wait. Don't go yet. Please don't go yet. You know, let's do a back test. That wasn't really a good back test there. Mother ducker, man. Fuck. No, man. No. I don't want to be going in long after 92. Calm down. Starting to form the V already. The V for victory. Starting to. I want to get filled 85. Whoa. All right, I guess it filled me already. At 84.50, 84 needs to hold. Come on, baby, come on. Mine, oh. I just want to strike. Thumbs up. Come on, baby, come on, just go. Don't come back. Don't come back. Don't you do it. Oh, come on, just go. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go back above 87 at least. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, just go. Go, choo-choo train. Fudge. Broke me even. My gosh. Anyways, at least we're protecting our risk, you know what I mean? Can't complain about risk-free, you know? I'm gonna turn into a scalper pretty soon. Just take every fucking $200 I get. All right, we're back down below 84. That could be one final bounce there. All right, I'm kind of liking this for a short again here. I gotta be honest here. I do like this. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna have my stop sitting right at 85 there. Let's see if we can get in the green now. That was a final bounce there. Please let this be it. Or else. Just go, choo-choo train. Go. Go down, choo-choo train. Should have been more patient and got short at 84 there, but that's okay. Come on, choo-choo train. Come on, choo-choo train. Come on, baby. I consider this technically the second trade of the day because, well, I got my stop and I'm committing to the trade. The break-evens, those don't cost me nothing, you know, so I'm okay with those, but should have been short 84 there. I would have liked my stop better sitting above 87, but as long as we stay under 84, I'm happy. I'll be a happy camper. Come on, choo-choo train. Don't you do this, okay? Let's just go down. Let's go down, choo-choo train. Still below 84 for now. Go down, choo-choo train. Go down, choo-choo train. Go down, choo-choo train. Go for it, baby. Go for it. It's smelling like a breakdown to me, guys. It smells like a breakdown. I don't know why, but it smells like a breakdown here. They're complex trades. Very complex. We got another bounce back above here, 84. And this is I don't have enough time to kind of explain why I think it's a breakdown, but it just is. Come on, choo-choo train. Prove me right. Let's break this shit down. Let's break it down, baby. Breakdowns love to do what we just did. They love it. It loves to do it. I'm like, they love it. They love to basically do these traps. They do like final bounces from them. And it still might not ducking work. But for now, holding below 84, you can see here that magical M or that resistance there. We had a final pop, so I'm hoping that, you know, I'm crossing my fingers that now this is a fucking breakdown and we just go down. And real breakdowns will be very nice trades ultimately. But can we actually pull it off here? Yes. Oh my god. Popping back towards the 84 here. I just don't like my entry. My entry is not the greatest here. Should have been short 84. Could have, would have, should have. Like that, my stop would be sitting, you know, up here above the 87. Now I'm here just begging that they don't even have one pop above. Come on. Just break down to the train. Break down, baby. Go. Lower. Go lower. Go lower. Okay, we're gonna go 85 and a quarter here. 85, 75. Come on, I smell it. Don't take me out before. Just go. We're gonna manifest this. Niagara Falls is incoming. It's fucking coming. Come on. Show me Niagara Falls. I haven't been to Niagara Falls in such a long time. I wanna fucking see it again. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me that red candle I'm waiting for. I know what I'm ducking waiting for. Come on, baby. Come on. I swear, my neighbors must be like, what the fudge is going on in that room? My neighbors must be tripping out, I swear. Especially if they're like walking by the front and they hear me, come on, choo-choo train, come on, come on. Oh my God, back above 84. Shit. And filled. All right, so she didn't want to go. It is what it is. Basically, I would call them two trades on the day because, well, they're the ones that I actually commit to. The red candle didn't come in. It looks like they're... This is complex price action here. Like I said, I should have been short 84. Like that, my stop would be above this key level right there. But unfortunately, you know, I was a little impatient here, shorting at the 81. But I do still think that this still smells like a breakdown. Maybe later on it will kind of clear up. But for now, taking those break evens and two losers. So I'm going to be done for now. It is what it is. You know, we tried the short here. I still lean to the bottom, but just price is definitely volatile here for now. But very, very choppy around this magnet right now. It looks like it's turning into a magnet. And back above 84 there. It's a little complex here. Fucking hourly candle, look at it. It looks like a doji candle right there, right at this magnet. We have a lot of action happening right here. Lots of action. And that 87 needs to hold for the bearish case here. It needs to hold that 87 down. Moon. Antonio feeling bullish today. I like it. Maybe I hope to be joining you tomorrow. Hopefully today we pull back so that we can rally tomorrow. That would be a much better picture for the week, I think. Or for the remainder of the week. This magnet here right now, this is a key level. We've had many pops above, pops below. I mean, like, now we're back above. It's... Started from the bottom. I say we coming down, but let's see. I don't know. Like it does kind of look like it wants to. This level has broken down already. Trapped above. This is a complexity of today is definitely a lot worse than it will, than yesterday. Yesterday was simpler. I like this. I got Antonio feeling bearish. Feeling bullish. Hustler and I are still kind of bearish for it. I'm a little bearish temporarily. I like this. I'd like to hear you guys' opinion. I value it. Keeps me looking at the other way that I'm not looking at. By the way, this is your infomercial for the day while we wait for the final trade. If maybe we can do it. Maybe we can make it happen. If you're not there already, you want to join and again, share your ideas and most importantly, bring value to the community and potentially pick up a thing or two, you are invited. It is free. The link is pinned to the chat right now. Friend, when your real friends out. I like this though. We're keeping our risk small. We're not risking too much, and a lot of trades that are good that work. But unfortunately, I don't take profit for $200. So, all right, we're testing 84 there again. It does look breakdowny here. I don't know how I feel about trying the short once again. It's so difficult. All right, I'm going to try one more time, okay? At 82.50. I don't even know how I got filled there, if price wasn't even there, but sure. And we're going to go with a stop here of 86. This will be the final attempt short. Looking for this breakdown here. 86, 86.25. All right, we got to break down now, yes. We got to make this happen. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Break down. Break it down. Fudge. They want to, but trying. Oh my gosh. No. All right, so it looks like they want to reclaim. They want to diddle around here. I'm done playing with this for now. It's still, fuck. It's just my entries are terrible there. I don't know why I mark it in here. Should have been short from L4. Stop 87. All right, I'll take those notes with me. We're trying to break down here. It's just so, it wants to go, but it doesn't want to go. It's kind of choppy here. Fuck. Now rallying, reclaiming 84. All right, well, first day actually that I'm right now in the red. So having a small red day, but yes, we're having a red day for now. It's okay. It is what it is. So far in the year, I'm at 2 with today. If it ends like this, I still have enough margin for at least another 2 trades if I want to try something later on. But I do like it in the end. I'm keeping my risk small, just my problem here is the short. I'm going with the short. And first red day in the last while, and I'm shorting. What is it that I'm doing? We're trying to break this fucking level down, but it's a pain in the ass. Here we are, 87 acting as some clear heavy resistance for now. Too choppy here. I mean, I wanna short this thing, but if I take this 84 short, we're likely gonna pop towards 87 again. You know what I mean? Like, it's hard right now. Hard price action. Choppy. We're not getting that breakdown. It wants to break down this level completely, but at the same time, it kind of did already. It wants to reclaim. It wants to break back down. It wants to reclaim. It wants to kind of break back down here, and it looks like it wants to reclaim. It doesn't know yet what it wants to do with this magnet. How do I know this is becoming a magnet? Well, I mean, look at this shitty price action, 1. And number 2, this is the key level from the hourly chart that I was mentioning at the beginning of the stream that we need to break down to actually start heading lower to get a pullback. And, well, the market doesn't make it easy for us. So, but right now, I'm leaning towards the bearish side. I am not bullish here right now. It's just unfortunate that my entries haven't been the best in order to wait long enough to wait for the actual breakdown to come in. So, kind of costing me so far, but I could do one more short. I could do 2 trades or 1 bigger trade on the day before hitting my 650 max loss here. So we're still good. All it takes is 1 trade to make it all back, baby. 1 trade. And like I said, right now, I'm not leaning to the bullish side. This is not bullish to me. Hence why I was short. And now the breakdown is actually coming. And now I'm actually trying to nail my entry. The thing is going. You gotta love trading. I'm telling you, it's this like love-hate relationship that like sometimes even though you could have the right idea, you know the tides might be changing to the downside, but she doesn't make it easy for me. She doesn't make it easy. But that's good. The fact that it's not easy is good. Like that nobody else wants to deal with her. All right, come on. Come on. Let's see if we can get a nice little pullback up and then get a nice short entry up closer towards the 84 level. All right, we're going to get 82. Come on, a little bit more, yes. I want to see a little bit more of a pushback up, please. Just a little bit more, baby. A little bit more. You're almost there. I like 84 better, but I'll even give you 83. Okay, let's stick with that 83 level there. 83. Come on, yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come on. Don't be like this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come to Papa. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't be like that. Come on. She's not wanting to fill me at 83 there. Come on. Come on, please. Come on. I'm telling you, my neighbors must be like, what the hell does that guy do in there? I'm just gonna mark it in. I don't know why. Run away. Come on, break down now, you prick. Break down, break down, break down. Come on, I believe in you, yes. I believe in you. No, back to the magnet. Are you kidding me? Well, I should have taken that 84 short. I would have been filled right here. Fucking again. All right, now we need to hold. We need to hold this price. Cannot go back above. You cannot go there. It has to stay right under here for this breakdown to actually play out here. Yo. Come on, just do it. Just do it. Break down. Why is it gotta be so difficult? Not the cleanest of price action this morning. Oh my goodness. Would have been short at 84. But it's okay. I'm already short. I gotta just commit. All right, all right, all right. We're holding that level of resistance for now. This is a good sign for this breakdown. But we need to actually, break down now. Come on, please. Yes, let's make this happen. Pretty please, like, let's go, baby. Let's go. Shitty price action. And then after, when it just dumps hard. And then it's like, why? Like, why can't you just go in increments lower? As the saying goes, ES takes the stairs up and elevator down. Oh my gosh, back up. I'm done with this breakdown. She don't want to break down. She didn't want to break down. She's probably going to get stuck again at 87. Could have, would have, should have been short 84 with my stop above that ducking 87. I just played it impatiently today. So I'm going to walk. I can only make really one more trade until, I guess, 6 p.m. later. So I'm going to have to wait for something very special, and it's not going to be here anymore. I'm still leaning to the bearish side, but it's just price is just very, very extremely choppy here. I got chopped up a little bit, I got to admit. But could have, would have, should have been just that 84, man. Fuck. Ducking 84. What is this? Look at this price action here. Disgusting. Hey, the Wheel of Fortune did warn me, okay? It did warn me, so I can't entirely be mad. Look at that. Look at overnight. Or this was in the morning, actually. Kind of prints then. Disgusting today. Overnight, right from resistance. Look at that trend lower. Trend. Look at the trend up overnight. And then, like, at the market open, you got to deal with this crap here. Antonio says the moon. I like it, Antonio. We attempted the breakdown. The bears can't do it. Looking at it on the hourly, this is going to be a big wick. You can see that nice wick to the bottom here. It could be a trap, but still a little bit early. And looking at the 4-hour chart, I mean, this would be a bullish candle if it does close somewhere at the highs there, but just look at it, back down. We just tried to squeeze, and now we're back down again to 84. Like, this is a magnet right now, and ultimately, it acts, I don't want to say the bad word, but it acts like a bee whenever it wants to break down, okay? This is the shitty price action that we got to deal with. Look at that, 87 again. Either way, I would have been stopped there. So if I had taken that 84, I would have been stopped there again. And then you might say, well, why don't you just short 87? You can, you know, it is acting up as resistance right now. The issue there is that we are above that key level of support now. So I would not kind of want to short into the support level. But I mean, fuck, today shorting after it's not working either. This fucking breakdown, no. It's taking my brain cells away. But she wants to break down. So I'm going to perhaps let her break down and then maybe look for the long, which I know where they'll be at. I'm kind of liking this 58.50 level once we probably fill a gap. I think that's where we have a gap right now. Where's this? I am now. No, it's much lower. That's from that rally. No, the gap is much, much lower, but it's not clean. Not clean at price action right now. My lean, I think Choo Train 1's down for now. That's my lean. My entry, not the greatest today. I'll straightforward with it, you know. Prediction though, I think Choo Train 1's down. Whenever she's done playing around here, she'll break down, but you guys already know that if I try to short this shit again, it's gonna go back up. But she's gonna do it whenever she's ready. When she's drained everybody. Now I'm here gonna watch it probably happen without me. Duck! Oh my god. I'll say we coming down. I'm with you on this, Hustler. I think Choo Choo Train 1's down. I mean, it diddled me, swung me, it fucking back and forth, zigzag today before the actual breakdown. Back down to the 79. So today, I mean, I can learn a lot from a day like today, actually. I'm proud of myself with the way I worked it out. Of course, still, red is red, but at the end of the day, I am happy with the whole read. And especially right at that under 04 level, we knew that it was going to be resistance. There was kind of no need to be longing under there. And then we did take this long here when we spotted the trap. We spotted the bounce from good old support right there. Of course, I didn't want to hold, so we took ourselves out there for a nice break even. And then boom, finally break down. And now ultimately attempting to break down, but she's not making it easy. She's not making this easy at all. And therefore, it's probably best to just let it happen without me. And, look for the long, much down later on. And you can see that we got the breakdown towards 77, back towards 84 here. It's probably going to rally back up towards that 86. It's choppy. This is so choppy right now. The only thing that's keeping me here is like, my heart is like, this breakdown is coming. This breakdown is coming. But I'm here looking for the ghost, I guess. So I'm going to listen to my own story. I haven't found a ghost. I've seen one, but I haven't found the ghost of ES. I'm going to walk away. I do appreciate all of your support today. And as always, thank you for watching. And of course, we'll be back here for Fresh Cash Ducking Friday. Fresh Cash Ducking Friday. Make sure you wear your lucky shirt because you're going to need it. You're going to want to nail the first move, the first 15, 20 points, and then boom, walk away. Or at least that's what I like to do. So I am done for today. I am done. It is choppy. I've been taking 3 to 7 points. Yeah, man, it's choppy. Choppy here. And just like that, back up towards the 90 there. Oh my gosh. What a squeeze. From the 77. This is a magnet. Watch it come back down to 84 now. Moon! Antonio, man, I like how bullish you came today. I like it. And we can go back in the chat. The man came here and he said Moon 60-50. Right now it's pumping. 84 being a key level, but unfortunately drained me right before whichever way it's gonna ultimately head back up towards. Not very clean. But the Bears got their shot. And 6, 5, 4, 3. All right. That was a nice close on that candle there, but. All right. Looks like maybe now I'm flipping my mind. Maybe now Choo Train wants up. I don't know. Like I said, we did break down. Like, look at this here. We did break down, just not a big breakdown. So we broke down there. We got down towards the 73, rallied back up and attempting to reclaim. And right now, this is just too choppy for me. I'm going to walk away, save my money, and come back here tomorrow because tomorrow is my best day. I love Fridays. They are just, oh my God, I love them. I mean, I love Mondays. I love every day, but something about Friday. It's just, I know it's not because it's the weekend, maybe a little bit, but not because of the reasons you might think. Just rather in general, feeling good about what you've done all week, feeling proud of, following your plan and making a plan to even begin with. And feels good. And then walking away green because nothing feels better than on a Friday be green. And just like that, back down towards 84 there. It could be a long, it could be a short. I'm going to walk and I'm going to let this thing play out as long as it wants until it's out of this range. And then we can, get some better trades going. So thank you all for tuning in. Peace. And now I'm leaning back down towards the downside. We'll continue all the conversation over on the Discord. Have a good rest of your day.